In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip Surface Civil 3D. Clipping a surface lets you control exactly which parts of a terrain model are visible or calculated, so you can focus on the area that matters for your design. Think of it as trimming the surface to a clean boundary or masking out regions you don't want to see. Start by selecting the surface you want to clip. You can click it directly in the drawing if it's visible, or open the prospector in Tool Space, expand surfaces, and pick the surface from the list. If you're working with multiple surfaces, take a moment to confirm you've highlighted the correct one, because the boundary you add will apply only to that selected surface. With the surface selected, press Ctrl+1 to open the Properties palette. This is where you can access the surface's settings. If the palette doesn't show surface information, simply reselect the surface and check that it's active. Next, go to the definition area and choose Boundary, then Add. This tells Civil 3D you're about to define the shape that clips or masks the surface. You'll be prompted to select the boundary object in the drawing. Now select a closed object that will serve as your boundary. A polyline or a feature line works great as long as it's closed and clean. If a polyline is open or has tiny gaps or overlaps, fix that first so the clip behaves reliably. Using a clearly named layer for your boundary and keeping it visible can also help you manage edits later. When the boundary options appear, choose the type that matches your intent. Pick Outer to clip the surface to the inside of your boundary and remove everything outside it. This is perfect for shrinking a large surface down to a project footprint. Choose Hide to mask out the area inside the boundary, creating a hole in the surface. That's useful when you want to exclude a pond, a building pad, or any region you don't want included in contours or volumes. Apply your settings and close the dialog. Civil 3D will rebuild the surface and display the results immediately. If the surface doesn't change as expected, verify that your boundary is truly closed, that it's on a visible layer, and that you chose the correct boundary type. You can add multiple boundaries if needed, or return to the same definition location to edit or remove them later. That's it. You've clipped a surface cleanly and efficiently, keeping your model focused and your drawings tidy.